guys, so Paul Bates here aboard Southern Estate, and today I want to welcome you aboard. But before I do, make sure you smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share it with your friends. Welcome aboard Southern Estate here, where we cruise all of the eastern shoreboard, all of America's Great Loop, the Bahamas, and beyond. So anyway, Paul Bates here. If you're interested, this is something that interests you, and you actually want to buy one of these things, I'll help you buy this exact trawler right here that I paid $25,000 for. Anyway, enjoy today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, so Paul Bates, and today we're out here, and I'm putting a cover over top of the bicycle right here. So when you're a poor man in a rich man's game, you got to get creative with what you do here. So I bought this canvas, and I bought it to do the front windows of the boat and then other projects. So I went ahead and bought 10 yards because I was able to save quite a bit of money buying my fabric from Santa Barbara Upholstery. So it doesn't matter that it took me a little bit of upholstery. Now my cover here may not be the prettiest, but the cover does two things. I took this strap, it's strapped to the bike, and now I'm strapping it to the rail so that I can lock this bike into place. So the bike, so this cover helps protect the bike. It also locks the bike into the rail system right here, so I don't have to worry about it moving. Now if I was going into heavy seas, I would probably do something a little more with it, maybe add another line to it or a line to it. But for everything that I've been on so far in America's Great Loop, there wouldn't be a day that I would not leave it strapped in like I'm doing right here. And you can see that I'm just adding my straps right here. You can see here I'm just aligning, putting each snap on place where I need it. It makes the most sense. And I bought the snap tool machine a long time ago, and I've had it for years and years and years. I've had this machine or this tool. It's paid for itself probably about 100 times, but again, I bought it 10 years ago. I've used it on every motorhome I've ever owned and every boat that I've ever owned since that. I got my snap tool machine out, and I've got it now strapped to the side. So I've got a snap down here underneath. I've got snaps in here, and this bike isn't going anywhere. It's fine. It's super easy to get the cover on and off now. Takes me probably 4 or 5 minutes. I'll show you how I get the bike on and off here, and it's super easy. And like I said, the easier I make it, and especially right now, I'm taking advantage of this covered slip. Again, poor man in a rich man's game, you got to take advantage of every single situation that you can. So one of the unique features with this boat is it has a crane. And by using this crane and a simple remote, I literally went into the store, I bought this remote at Harbor Freight actually for $40, and I was able to hook it to the motor, the lifting motor, and for 40 bucks I have a remote control crane for my boat. And so like anybody can do anything they want. You just got to want it. And you know, being a poor man in a rich man's game, you know, you got to get creative, and this is another way that I got creative. And for 40 bucks I have a remote control crane, so I'm able to lift this bike up. This is how I get the bike in and out of the boat. And it makes it easy on me. I'm not struggling. My kickstand down. So when I set the bike down, it's already sitting on its kickstand. And that's it. I mean, it's that simple. It's just a creative idea. It's a way that I could save money and use the system, and it works freaking awesome. Okay guys, so Paul Bates here. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. If this is a lifestyle that you like or would enjoy, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and if you need any help with anything, please just let me know. Feel free to reach out, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. No regrets, live life with no regrets. Thank you so much again. Bye.